Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Pundix. What's the current price of Pundix? What's the price changes occurs in the Pundix, and what is the next move of Pundix? Especially in this video, I'm talking about the very urgent update of Pundix. So please keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so I request everyone to please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel, friends. Now the currently latest price of the Pundix, you can see here 1.67 USD dollar is the current latest price of Pundix. That is the now live price of Pundix. You can see here, friends. Anyways, on the other side, if you look, the price changes occur. So now at this time, the last 1 hour price change is going negative, friends. I mean that the Pundix at this time again falls down, but that's not mean then you decide to sell, friends. Remember, my friends, if you want to make a high amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market, so you have to hold, friends. If you hold a coin for a long time, so that's how you can get a good amount of profit from the cryptocurrencies market, friends. Now at this time, the Pundix last 1 hour price changes is negative, so a lot of holders, I know a lot of holders also decide when they see the small funds occur in the Pundix, so they decide to sell Pundix. But no, that's not a procedure to make a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market, friends. And if you look the last 1 day pricing as positive, you can see here positive 13.49%. The last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 weekend pricing is again negative, friends. Only the last 1 day, the yesterday pricing is positive, friends. I mean that the Pundix start moving upward, take a jump in the yesterday, friends. You can see here if we zoom, that is the last 1 month price chart. But let me zoom it the last 1 month price chart. You can see here 24 May. On the 24th May, they continuously take a jump, friends. And now the last 1 hour pricing is again fast downwards. So please, I recommend for everyone that I know this time the price of the Pundix is fast down, but I mean that's not mean you decide to sell Pundix. No, it's time to hold, friends, because now you can see here from the yesterday only they take a jump, friends. So I think that is just a beginning. You can see here absolutely the quick jump. So can the Pundix. You can see here a quick jump. They go straight to the moon, friends. So I really recommend for everyone, especially for my viewers, my subscriber, that it's time to hold if you are a holder of Pundix. And for short-term investor, if you want to short-term invest in Pundix, so I think it's a good opportunity, because now the big jump of Pundix are coming soon. That's my prediction. I believe that there is a big jump occurs in the future, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Pundix? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.